Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, inspect your Dell keyboard for a backlight icon on a function key. The key often appears on Fn plus F10 or Fn plus F6 depending on model. Press that key while holding Fn, then release and press it again to cycle settings. Repeated presses cycle through 3 brightness levels: off, low, and high. If your battery is low, the backlight may stay off. Connect the AC adapter and try the key sequence again to confirm the light will turn on. If the key sequence does nothing, restart and enter the BIOS to check keyboard lighting. In BIOS, look for a keyboard illumination or backlight option and enable it. After enabling, boot to Windows and update the Dell keyboard driver or QuickSet utility to ensure functionality. Check the FN lock setting if function keys act reversed versus media controls. You can also open Windows Mobility Center and verify backlight settings there if your model supports that control. If you find no backlight key and no BIOS option, then the laptop lacks a backlit keyboard. In that case, you cannot enable lighting by software or drivers alone. Your practical choices are an external USB backlit keyboard or a hardware keyboard replacement. External backlit keyboards typically cost about $0 to $50 and provide immediate lighting. Replacing the internal keyboard requires service and parts and may be necessary for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.